everybody. So over the next couple of days, I'm going to do a number of videos about the myths around collision repair / auto body / getting into an accident / getting your car fixed after you've been in an accident. So one of the number one myth I want to start with, it's not the biggest, but it's the one I'm going to start with, is that you have to get multiple estimates. I want you to know that first off, by state law, you only need one estimate. And I can tell you that these days, if you have something as simple as a door ding, then that estimate can be pretty accurate and shouldn't go up in price. But if you've even got what you think is minor damage to like a front or rear bumper, I can tell you it's very, very common to have hidden damage underneath that bumper cover. So that estimate to begin with usually isn't worth the paper it's written on until the vehicle's been disassembled. But here's the main thing I want you to know. And I see people do this silliness all the time. And just as recently as yesterday, we had somebody call us and say the insurance company was telling them they had to get multiple estimates. Let me ask you this. If the insurance company has you out running around for multiple estimates, do you think they're looking for the cheapest price or the best repair for you? We all know the answer. They're looking for the cheapest price. And more importantly, they have you out running around wasting your time, energy, gas to get the cheapest price for them. They're not going to start with the most expensive estimate. I can tell you with today's technology and vehicles, you don't want the cheapest estimate anymore. The other thing to keep in mind that I see people do this silliness too. Somebody hits them and says, you know what? I am not going to put this through for my insurance. I'm going to pay for your damage, but I want you to go get 3 estimates. So then I watch people run around and get 3 estimates. What do you think this person's shopping for? The cheapest repair price for them or the best quality repair for you? Here we are again. They're looking for the cheapest price, and they've sucked you in to doing all the legwork. You're the chucklehead driving around, getting different estimates, emailing them, faxing them, doing whatever you're doing, all to find the cheapest price for somebody else, whether that's somebody that's hit you and doesn't want to use their insurance, or it's the insurance company, including your own insurance company. None of these are in your best interest. By state law, you only need one estimate, and again, I can tell you that probably 95% of the time, the estimates that we write aren't the estimate that's going to be the final repair bill, because there's so much hidden damage, because these cars have so many computers, and because they have so many parts, and the majority of them can't be seen until the vehicle's disassembled. So I want to bust the myth that you have to go get a bunch of different estimates. You don't. You just need to be well informed and go to the shop that's going to take the best care of you right off the bat. We'll see you soon for myth number 2.